today I really want to do a quick. I want to take you guys to a quick solutions that you really need to know. If you are a designer and you are a Photoshop, designer, this video is actually for you because recently I tried to get my Photoshop so that I can actually start working on some projects, some cool projects, and I noticed that my Photoshop shows a message which I don't want to say the message, but I really want to click on Photoshop now. Let's see the message together. And the purpose of this video is to solve this message with you, this problem with you technically. So stay tuned, follow me along. Let's do this together. So the Photoshop is actually I'm currently using 224 version. So let's wait till it's open. So that you will see the message direct. All right, stay tuned. It's open, but there is something I really want to show you guys. So if I'm trying to, I don't want to create a file. I just want to see my workspace. Clicking on this, do you see this message that pop up? This is what we need to solve. You might probably face something like this, and you don't know where to begin or what to do next. Maybe some of you will be like, I'm trying to get someone that will actually do it, or you delete the particular file and try to get another file inside so that you can actually work on it. But right now, I really want to show you how to solve this issue. Technically. So let's dive into it. But take note, if you haven't subscribed to my channels, please do, because this channel is just, it has one mission, just to help designers solve technical problems about their design software, be it CorelDRAW, be it Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, whatever it is that you are using to design. More videos will be coming out from there like this. And also, we will also be showing you how to make some kind creative that people will be like, wow. So if you have a chance to work for a brand, for a reputable brand, you'll be able to give them what they are not even expecting, like the top notch of the design of the creative that we are talking about. Okay, so let's not talk too much. Let's go into it and work things out. So first of all, what you want to do is I will minimize this. I can't even minimize it, but I will use it from here. So what you need to do is to come to this search bar, and what you need to do is to type firewall. Yes, firewall. This window, sorry, yes, this is it. The window defender firewall. Just click on it, then it will pop up. So I want to show you the easiest way to do this. So once you click on it, go to advanced settings. So in advanced setting, the reason why we are here is to create a new bound rules and also a new outbound rule. So you would locate at this inbound rule, click on it, then you click on new inbound rules. So once you click on news, go to program, then you now do next, then next. Do you see this program part? This is where you will browse your Adobe file, where you install it. You can come direct here and look for it. You can come here, come to provide this, locate Adobe, and this is it. So once you double click on this, you can actually copy the whole part. But this is not the easiest way to go about it, because this part, it will stress you. But if you want to come, you know where to you store your file. So if you really want to come direct here, there is no problem. But there is an easiest way to do this by just from here. Now you come to this Photoshop app, you right click. Once you right click on it, this is what you see. So you see where where you see Adobe Photoshop 2024. You also right click there and you go to property. Just click on property. This is what you are copying. So the target, look for the target, just copy it. You can do control C as usual, or you copy it, you highlight everything and copy it. Then you take it down here and paste it. So once you paste it, what you want to do is to remove this sign here at the back. Then you copy it again, because you will need it in the other way. Then you do next. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I think we need to remove this guy. Yes. Yeah, that's good. You click next. So next now, make sure that you don't click allow the connections. You click block the connections. Then you do next. So here you continue. Everything is done. You press next. You just name it. You can say it Adobe 2024. Yeah. Or you can actually put Photoshop there. Adobe Photoshop. Yep. Yeah, Adobe Photoshop 2024. Maybe let's just do something different, because so that we won't. Let's put that this sign. Yeah, and click finish. Then what you need to do is to look for any Adobe Photoshop here that have a rules and delete it so that it won't block. Just be looking for it. Anyone you see, you can just delete it. If there is any rule there, keep on looking, keep on looking, keep on looking. The only one you need to leave is the one we created. So I think there is none here. Yeah, there is none here. Okay, there is none there. So that's all for here. Let's go to the same process with our outbound. The same process. So remember program, then you paste the particular this thing you copied. Yes. N. Okay. Block the connection, the same thing. Perfect. All right. So you name it the same name. Yeah, 2024. I think that's all. You click finish. So now you still look for if there is any rules that you can actually, you know. Yeah, so I think this particular one you need to delete this because we don't need this. You need to delete that. You need to delete that. Yes, so look for more if there is any. I think we are good. So what you need to do is just to leave here. and boom, you are done. Close this. So remember that you see this is it. So I want to close this app and reopen it again. To see, you can close it from here. And let's close the app. It doesn't want to close, you see. It doesn't want to close. It's very stubborn. I don't know about this. It doesn't want to close. But there's a way if you go here, you can't close it. So let me use Task Manager to actually end the task. So from here, I think I can end it from here. Yeah. So I will end it from here. Okay. Yeah, the task has ended. So let's click it back and see if the same issue will pop up again. Let's wait for it. Guys, let's wait for it. Please subscribe if you do not subscribe. Subscribe. More videos like this will be coming up. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's go back to our working space and see if something like this. Boom. You see, we just solved this. So you don't need to waste money or take it to any technical someone, or maybe you want to buy another file and delete this one because they said it's disabled and you do. This is how to solve it. This is how to solve it. Give this video a thumbs up or comment something if there is any solution you want me to save to help you and solve. If there is any challenge or any problem you encounter with your software that you are designing, whether it's Photoshop, Corel Draw, or whatever, if it is Adobe Illustration, I mean AI, not the other AI, our designer working tools software AI to it. So that is Adobe Illustrator. Please just tell me in the comment section and I will see what I can do to it. Yeah, you're welcome.